understood meaning of frictional unemployment. Please pause the video and note down this. See next part. Next part of full employment means second part, structural unemployment. Structural unemployment. See, it refers to the unemployment. It refers to the unemployment in which people remain unemployed. People remain unemployed due to mismatch. Due to mismatch between unemployed persons and demand for specific types of workers. See, means this line is most important. Unemployed persons and demand for specific types of workers. It arises due to structural changes in the economy. Now let's try to understand the definition of structural unemployment with the help of an example. See, for example, due to computerization, workers do not possesses enough knowledge. If enough knowledge of computers will be unemployed until they do some computer course or training. See, now what is the definition of structured unemployment? It refers to the unemployment in which people remain unemployed due to mismatch between unemployed persons and demand for specific type of workers. It arises due to structural changes in the economy. See, due to computerization, workers do not possess enough knowledge of computer will be unemployed. Means, see, workers suppose suppose this is an industry. Now 100 workers are there. Means 50 workers and 50 workers. Means possesses knowledge and do not possesses knowledge. I hope all of you are understanding. Is it visible or not? Yes, it is visible. See, now suppose this is an industry. See, now there are 100 workers. See, 50. Due to computerization in this industry. Due to computerization in this industry, 50 workers possesses knowledge. 50 workers possesses enough knowledge, and 50 workers do not possesses enough knowledge. It means these 50 workers will be employed, and these 50 workers will be unemployed. Means industry is demanding for those workers. Means industry is demanding for those workers. Means for those workers who means you can who possesses enough knowledge, and industry is not demanding those workers who do not possesses enough knowledge. See, unemployed person means these workers. And demand for specific type of workers means industry is demanding for those people, persons, you can say those persons who possesses enough knowledge about computer, So I hope all of you have understood. See, means they will be unemployed until they do some computer course or training. Means you can say like this, structural unemployment is also a temporary. Unemployment, or you can say structural unemployment is a temporary situation. I hope all of you have understood what is the meaning of full employment, and full employment can be of two types. First, frictional unemployment, and second, structural unemployment. See, after this, please pause the video and note down this. See, I hope all of you have understood what is the meaning of full employment situation, and full employment situation can be of two types. Means under full employment situation, there can be two types of unemployment: frictional unemployment and structural unemployment. See, there is a natural unemployment. Natural unemployment means frictional unemployment plus structural unemployment. See, now what is natural unemployment? Natural unemployment is the summation of, or you can say is the combination of frictional unemployment and structural unemployment. You know that frictional unemployment exists in full employment condition situation, and structural unemployment is also exist in full employment situation. But now on behalf of both of these, we can say like this: natural unemployment situation exists in full employment situation. I hope all of you have understood what is natural unemployment. Natural rate of unemployment.